Spring started today, 12:15, we were talking about earlier, and now the snow begins. As a matter of fact, we've got a few snow reports going on. And through the evening, more snow is developing. Now, keep in mind, it's not just snow, but we've also got wind that is coming down. That definitely is a complicating factor in all of this. But you can see that we're kind of in the clear here for the next few hours, at least here in Greater Cleveland. Farther south, we have already started to get some of the snow reports coming in. New England getting belted again. They're calling this the four-easter, their fourth nor'easter that is developing, and they are just starting into their problems. We have the upper part of this storm system that's just going to kind of meander eastward and eventually link up with the East Coast storm system tomorrow. That's really going to rev that storm up, and that's going to help to suck the snow out of northern Ohio as we go through the day tomorrow. Things will be much better in the afternoon than in the morning, and that's where we're really focusing our efforts as far as the alerts go too. Winter weather advisories are posted for much of the state of Ohio and our southern counties, generally along and south of US 224 and I-76. A winter weather advisory starts at 8 p.m. It goes till 11 a.m. for much of the area. Tuscarawas and Carroll counties, though, you go till 8 p.m. tomorrow. I think that'll probably come down early. Temperatures play a critical role in all of this. You can see where we're in the low to mid 30s farther south. Then there's this corridor of warmth and then cool air. I can explain what's going on here. We've had cloud cover south through the day today, and the cloud helps to reflect the energy. We've had a lot of sunshine here in the central part of the area, but good old Lake Erie and the northeasterly winds that have absolutely been cranking today are keeping northern areas colder. This definitely is one of those nuances that you don't get on your weather apps, only because they just can't kind of see it. It's a small scale event. So we do have these very brisk northeasterly winds. This is going to bring in a little lake enhancement to some of the snow showers as we go through the night tonight. But more notably, we're getting huge waves on the south end of the lake. Meanwhile, over in Canada, I saw this on my Twitter feed. I'm on the other side of Lake Erie. I was wondering where all the water had gone. The tide line has dropped drastically. Literally, the water is sloshing toward us on those northeasterly winds. Now we start to bring in the energy and the moisture from the south as well. We do have some snow that's already showing up. It's very light, and I did get Jeff Kellum down in Mansfield saying the snow has just started there. You can see it right here on the radar. So it's on, and here's how things will go as we go through the night tonight. By midnight, we should have a pretty good swath of snow set up across much of the area, most of it light, some of it heavier, and the heavier snow at first appears to begin southwest. Then it kind of spreads eastward as we hit 4 a.m. Now remember, this is critical. Our road crews are going to be really tasked with getting things cleaned up and staying ahead of the storm. And this is about the time superintendents begin waking up as well. Notice the temperatures are in the 20s. Now the ground temperatures are warm, so we're really going to hone in on bridges and overpasses. Your steps, your decks, any untreated surface is going to be slushy. Snow still ongoing at 6 a.m. and even 7. So the morning commute is going to be impacted, but remember those road surface temperatures hopefully will keep things slushy rather than icy. And then by 10 a.m., everything is moving out, and literally that East Coast storm will be pulling the snow out of northern Ohio. How much will be left behind? Well, far northern areas will be the least. We have this corridor that includes Greater Cleveland, Sandusky, Norwalk, Medina, over to Akron with 2 to 4 inches, and then where that winter weather advisory is in place, 3 to 5 inches of accumulation is likely as we go through the day tomorrow. Now, as far as the school closings, as I told you, where the heaviest snow is, that's the best chance for those school closings, and that will be far south. Greater Cleveland, not too much of a chance for you tomorrow. So morning snow leaving us. By the afternoon, we've got sunshine. Temperatures will be in the mid-30s in your Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. And look at the streak of weather coming our way. It's like the sun will shine upon northeast Ohio and the temperatures begin to warm. It's good news after tomorrow.